Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kurt Allen. I'm the chairman and CEO of Agilix, and I'm delighted to be here. I'd like to give thanks to Deborah and Michael for the opportunity, and to all of you for sticking through to the bitter end, the last session of the last day. I think these presentations have all been great. I'd like to give a shout out especially to Jessie and her team. I think they're doing a phenomenal job, and I've been honored to watch their progress. If you are the leader of an organization that wants to deliver personalized education, and your technical people are telling you it's going to cost millions of dollars and take months or years to build, you should call us. We've been fortunate in helping lots of people that are trying to do this work. As an ingredient brand, we provide a white label personalized learning infrastructure that's being used by lots of large companies, many of whom we can't name. But it gives us the benefits of seeing the success in the market that many of you are having. This allows our partners to deliver their solutions better, faster, and more affordably than they can by building it from scratch. We didn't set out to do this, but after we built our own system and then worked with a lot of partners and created a suite of web services that were scalable and in the cloud and high performance and secure and all those good things, we decided we didn't want anybody else to ever have to do that work again. And so we've been partnering with people to create solutions based on that technology. If you need the obligatory 4x4 or 2x2 matrix rather, this is kind of how we see ourselves fitting into the market. There's a lot of traditional platforms that are kind of one size fits all and that scale out and reach a lot of teachers and learners. And then many people, or most people, try to build their own custom thing from scratch. On the other axis, there's traditional instruction, that is where a lot of learning platforms came from, and then personalized learning on the other part of the axis. And we really feel like we can enable you to deliver custom branded solutions that deliver personalized learning at scale very quickly and easily. So there's a few examples that I can talk about, and I'll just highlight a couple of those. These are representative of other partners that are doing similar types of things. And the key idea here is that by leveraging this infrastructure, you also become part of a partner ecosystem where you can be interoperable with and mix and match solutions and be part of a bigger solution for district customers, many of whom who use lots and lots of applications today and would like them all to work well together. Our friend Tom has been very kind in saying good things about this and introducing us to lots of people that shouldn't be building it from scratch. And we've been fortunate in being involved with a lot of those projects as a result. We have examples of large traditional publishers that have tried in the past to build their own platforms from scratch and have decided in some cases that it's better to utilize this kind of an approach in particular market segments or niches and to deliver things more quickly than they could otherwise. HMH is a great example of that, that's doing some really innovative work, particularly in the areas of adult education. New Tech Network is another great example of an early mover in project-based learning that's done some really innovative work, providing PBL into districts across the country, and who realized that they didn't really want to be in the platform business, they wanted to be in the PBL business. And so we've partnered with them to create the next generation of their Echo platform, where people collaborate on creating innovative projects, they share those in a community, they can exchange best practices, and they give the kids an opportunity to develop 21st century skills and really innovative projects that really prepare them for college, career, and life success. Heather Staker is doing what I believe is some of the best PD I've ever experienced. If you haven't been through her program, I highly recommend it. She co-wrote the book Blended with Michael, and then decided in order to deliver this that she wouldn't do it as a lecture out of a book, that she would deliver blended PD as a blended experience. And so she did a great job in Texas with 75 districts delivering this, and has now created a certified facilitator program that can be used by teachers anywhere And she's creating an army of people that are going to be able to help support creating a generation of adults that know how to do blended instruction because they experienced it as a learner. It's a novel concept, huh? But I would commend her work to you, and she's chosen our Buzz platform to do that, so we've been the beneficiaries of lots of great feedback from how to make this stuff really work well at scale. Eduscape is one of our most recent partners. For those of you that don't know about them, they have trained over 600,000 teachers on Google and Microsoft apps, and they do implementation training and support at a district level. So when they decided they wanted a personalized learning platform, thankfully they chose not to build another one from scratch themselves. They partnered with us, and we've now created a model where they can do white-labeled branded instances of this for all of their key strategic partners that do coding camps and robotics and maker spaces and really cool innovative tech, but they can now be up and running in days or weeks, not months or years. Spider's another example of a kind of a tier 2 publisher that wanted to deliver an online and blended middle school curriculum and looked at all the options and said we needed something that's a little bit more customized and integrated with Learnosity in their case. And we were able to help them get that up and running in a few weeks, and they've now successfully deployed that at a fraction of the time and cost that it would require otherwise. So if any of you would like a better, faster, cheaper way to get there, we would love to talk with you and find a way to help. And if not, we would love to find a way to make your solutions interoperable with this larger partner ecosystem that we're helping to create. Thank you all very much.